Good morning, students. So today we'll be starting with exercise 2a, question number 3. So if the zeros or the value of x of the quadratic polynomial px is equal to 3x square plus bracket 2k minus 1 x minus 5 are equal in magnitude and opposite in sign, then find the value of k. All right. So in this case, the given polynomial of x will be 3x square plus 2k plus 1x minus 5. All right. So the coefficient of x square, so coefficient of x square will be 3. So coefficient of x will be 2k minus 1, and constant term will be minus 5. All right. So now according to question, so here we have if the zeros, all right, if the zeros, that is the value of x, are equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. So in this case, what we will do is we will write here, let alpha and minus alpha be the zeros, all right, zeros of px. So in this case, the first zero will be alpha and the other zeros will be minus alpha. Why? Because according to the question, they are same in magnitude. So if here is alpha, here also will be alpha. And why the negative sign? Because they are opposite. All right, they are opposite in sign. So one will be positive and the other will be negative. So now what's left for us is to find the value of k. All right. So in this case, we can either use sum of zeros, or we can also use product of zeros according to you. So next, what we'll do is we will simply use a sum of zeros. So you write here, we have sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. All right. So in this case, sum of zeros will be alpha plus minus alpha. So it will be alpha plus minus alpha is equal to minus coefficient of x. So coefficient of x will be 3. So it will be minus 3, and coefficient of x square, coefficient of x will be 2k plus 1. So here you'll write minus 2k minus 1, and below it will be coefficient of x square will be 3. So alpha plus into minus will be minus is equal to minus 2k minus 1 by 3. So alpha minus alpha will be 0. So minus 2k minus 1 by 3. So 3 into 0 will also be 0. So what's left in this case? Minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 will be transposed to the left hand side. It will be minus 2k is equal to minus 1. So minus minus cancel. So k is equal to half. All right. So therefore, value of k will be half. So this will be your answer. All right, student. So we'll be starting with question number 4. If 1 0 of the polynomial so and so is reciprocal of the other, find the value of a. So we have, this is the given polynomial of x, a square plus 9 whole thing x square plus 15x plus 6a. So what we'll do is we will write the coefficient first. So therefore coefficient of x square will be a square plus 9. Then coefficient of x will be 15, and constant term will be 6a. All right. So according to the question, so if one zero of the polynomial is the reciprocal of the other, so in this case what we will write is let alpha be the zero. All right, zero of the polynomial px. So the other zero will be 1 by x, because reciprocal of alpha will be 1 by alpha, and 1 by alpha be the other zeros. All right, so is it clear? Why 1 by alpha? Because the first zero is alpha, so the reciprocal of alpha will be 1 by alpha. So alpha will go to the place of numerator, and 1 will go to the place of alpha will go to the place of denominator, and 1 will go to the place of denominator. So in this case what we will do is, because we have to find the value of a, and a is in term of a constant term, so we will use product of zeros. All right, so now product of zeros is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. So product of zeros will be alpha into 1 by alpha is equal to constant term will be 6a by a square plus 9. So alpha will get cancelled, and a square plus 9 will be by cross product, they will come up, so it will be a square plus 9 is equal to 6a. So you transfer 6a to the left hand side, it will become a square minus 6a plus 9 is equal to 0. So next what we will do is we will split the middle term. So it will be a square minus 3a minus 3a plus 9 is equal to 0, because minus 3a minus 3a, when you add them together you will get minus 6a, and 3 into 3 you will be getting 9. So you group them into pairs. The common number will be a minus 3 minus 3 by a minus 3 is equal to 0. All right, so next I will write it over here. So it will be a minus 3 is equal to 0. So let us find the value of x. So either a minus 3 is equal to 0 or a minus 3 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3 or a is equal to 3. So in this case the value of a will be 3. So hence the required value of a is 3. So this will be your answer. Alright, next will be starting with question number 5. So if 1 0 of the polynomial qx is equal to x square plus px plus 8 is double the other, then find the value of p and hence both zeros of qx. Alright, here the given polynomial of x will be x square plus px plus 8. So coefficient of x square will be 1, coefficient of x will be p, and the constant term will be 8. All right, so the zeros in this case, let the zeros be alpha, and the other zeros will be twice alpha. All right, the reason is that because it's double the other. So if the 0 is alpha, so the other one will be double the alpha, so it will be 2 alpha. All right, so in this case we have to find the value of p, and also after getting the value of p we have to find, sorry, this is given as qx. We have to find the two zeros of qx. So in this case, let us find the value of qx and the value of q and the value of p. All right, so you write we have sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So it will be alpha plus 2 alpha is equal to minus p by coefficient of x square will be 1. So it will be 3 alpha is equal to minus p, or p is equal to minus 3 alpha. All right, so this is equation number 1. So in this case what we will do is we have to find the value of alpha. So after getting the value of alpha we will get the value of p. All right, so let us find the value of alpha by using product of zeros. Also product of zeros will be constant term by coefficient of x square. So product of zeros will be alpha into 2 alpha is equal to constant term will be 8 by coefficient of x square will be 1. So in this case alpha into alpha will be 2 alpha square is equal to 8, so 2 will come down. All right, so 2 will come down, so it will be alpha square is equal to 8 by 2. So after dividing this one we'll be getting 4. All right, so what will be the square root of 4? The square root of 4 will be 2. So in this case we have gotten the value of alpha, and the value of alpha is plus minus 2. Also we have to find the value of 2 alpha. Also 2 alpha will be 2 into plus minus 2, which is equal to plus minus 4. All right, so in this case there are two value of alpha. So one is plus minus 2, and for 2 alpha will be plus minus 4. All right, so next we have to find the value of p. So therefore p is equal to minus 3 alpha is equal to minus 3 into plus minus 2 is equal to plus minus 6. All right, so in this case the value of p will be plus minus 6. All right, so here therefore all right, sorry, so you write here therefore when root are 2 and 4. All right, so in this case when alpha is plus 2 and plus 4, value of p will be equal to minus 6. All right, so value of p will be equal to minus 6. And when roots are minus 2 and minus 4, therefore value of p will be plus 6. All right, so in this case, when alpha is minus 2 and minus 4, the value of p will be plus 6. So this will be your answer.